Alright guys, so we are finally back. I know, I love every time I upload, I get some people that are like, yes, finally a video. That keeps me motivated, but we are back, and this video is going to be awesome because we are doing the first modification on the car. Yes, I have piles of boxes of modifications to do to the car. We're doing the first one today. Let me explain to you guys real quick. I apologize for like the 1 or 2 videos a month. I know it stinks, but I'm a college student and I keep my car here when I go away to college. So unfortunately I can't make the videos that you guys want to see while I'm away, but I am home for Easter. Happy Easter if you guys do celebrate it. Happy Easter to everybody and enjoy your Sunday when it is Sunday. And we are finally back in this beautiful, beautiful weather. It is never ever nice out, I'm telling you. When it doesn't snow, it rains, I swear to God. But hey, we're here, we're back at it. So, a couple things I want to go over. One, keep up what you guys are doing. I gained 1,000 subscribers in a year, right? You guys know that. 12 months, it took a year to gain 1,000 subscribers. In the last 3 months, guys, we didn't gain 200, not 300, but 500 subscribers in a quarter of the time that it took me to gain 1,000. That's insane. That is absolutely insane. So keep doing what you're doing, because come May, when college is out, we are going to push the agenda hard. Okay? We're going to push hard. Dad's in the background over there. We're going to push the agenda hard. So, couple things that are coming up. I know some people want to do like a meet and greet type thing. I have a lot of S4 guys that want to see the car in person. So I will be going to Cecil County Dragway at the end of April for the YouTube call out. If you watch Street Speed 717 and his gang, I will be going there. The S4 will be there. I might enter it in the import class, not to race, but to show. I won't be racing, but it will be there if you guys want to come see it and say what's up. So if anyone lives in the Harrisburg area, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, New York, people are coming from California, it's going to be a big deal. Number 2, I am getting together with Dirty Max Jack from the 717 crew next week to make an awesome video. So look forward to that. And number 3, guys, that is the modification for this car. We are going to do some tasteful modifications, and I do have the boxes of them. We are going to get to that now. What do you guys think I'm doing today? Well, what do you say we find out? Let's get to it.
Run free and dive into the sky. Hear the wind crying out its prayer. Why are we so ashamed to be alive? Break the chains and our freedom's ours to take.
Alright guys, so it's a little windy right now, hopefully you can hear me, but yes, we did get new wheels and tires for the S4. So these are VMR V710s, 18 by 18.5, and they are beautiful. They are powder coated in a very dark charcoal gray, and they are wrapped with Bridgestone Potenza RE71R. And if you guys know anything about tires, those tires are incredible. They're summer only track use, and you could obviously drive them on the street, but it says over 65 degrees, and it is just incredible. I cannot be happy enough. I always wanted a B5 S4 with V710s because my brother had them on his cars, and boom, there it is. It worked out perfectly. Yeah, so that's it, guys. That is the first mod. I hope you guys like it as much as I do. If you couldn't tell, I'm super excited, super excited. But one thing that's funny is it looks like a monster truck now. Look at that wheel gap, man. But guess what? I got a lot of boxes at home. Maybe one of those boxes has something that'll close that wheel gap up in it. All right, guys, I'll catch you in the next video and we'll find out.